Hello, third grade. Today we're doing lesson 102, sorting. This is a pretty easy lesson compared to some of the other lessons. And what we're going to do is look at the items we have. We have markers here, and how can we sort them differently? And so we see that we have some Sharpies, and then we have watercolor. So what I did was came up with two little note cards that say permanent markers, which are Sharpies, and washable. And if you were going to do that, you would look at your markers and put them underneath the correct spot. Here's another Sharpie, which is permanent. Now here is a washable, so we put these under here, and so forth. You could do that. And this is a great activity for you to do even with helping mom with laundry. You can sort your darks and your lights, or you can wash dishes and sort the silverware. That is a great activity for you to practice this. Coming over here, we have another sorting activity, and we have a whole bunch of numbers. I'll gather the numbers into a smaller spot so we can see them. But we're looking, and this activity, two cards were made up, but they're going to tell you exactly how to sort them. And so we have even and odd. And we know how to do that. We've already practiced that. So here is 1 is in the ones, and we know that 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are all odd numbers. So that would go to the odd section. And then our next number is 80. Now, 0 is in the ones, and we know 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Any number ending in those goes to the even side. So let's look. We have a 9 in the ones, so that is in the odds. Remember, we always go to the ones. A 6 in the ones goes to even. A 4 goes to the even, and a 3 goes to the odd. Then we have another sorting activity here. This time, the activity wants us to look at the different groups and tell the rules of what kind of numbers are in those. In the first group, we notice the thing that is the same about all of these is that they end with a 0. Is there anything like that in here? Nope. So let's flip over these and see which rule goes with which. Tens, not tens. Well, we know that in tens, there has to be a 0 at the end. So the tens would be group A, and not tens would be group B. And then we are going to come over here, and we're going to look at a division, doing the long division again and looking at some steps to take. Step 1, we always divide like dad. Step 2, we multiply like mom. Step 3, sister, subtract. And step 4, we bring it down, brother. And so we're going to get right over here, and we are going to practice this one. And this is your number 19 on your homework. Hopefully I can do this and hold this at the same time. But 3 goes into 8. How many times? That means multiplying it. Well, we have 3, and then we have 6. That still fits in the 8. But if we go 3, 6, 9, 9 does not fit in 8. That's too big. So it only goes 3, 6, that's 2 times. So we're going to write a 2 right here. And let me see if I can do this better. And then 2 times 3, that's where we multiply over here. So we divide it, now we multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. And then remember our step 3, we subtract. So 8 take away 6 is 2. And step 4 tells us to bring it on down. So we're going to bring that 1 all the way down. We're going to go right back to step 1, which is divide. So we have 21. How many times does 3 fit into 21? Well, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then the 6th one is 18, the 7th one is 21. So 7 times 3 goes into 21. So we're going to put a 7 up here. And then remember step 2, multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. And then subtract is our 3rd step. 21, take away 21 is 0. 4th step, bring down, but there's nothing else to bring down. So we're finished. And our answer came out to 0, so we don't have anything left over. So our answer is 27. And that is your number 19 on today's homework. Have a great day, guys. Bye.